Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to add music in a Canva video. Before we get started, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel as this really helps me out. So to start with, open up your video on Canva. You can upload your own video using the upload tab on the left-hand side, or you can have a look at the different videos that Canva has. There are tons available. So I'm using one of those videos, and you can see my videos of a lady just walking along the beach. So if I want to add some music to it, I have a few options. Again, you can upload your own music, and you can use like a free site like freetouse.com, which offers like different free tracks for you to use. You can have a listen and download them and upload them to your video on Canva. But Canva already has tons of like music tracks you can use as well. All I need to do is click on the add audio under the video, then click on music, and then you can have a scroll through the different music tracks available. If you know what you want, you can write that into the search tab, but you can go ahead and listen to the different tracks just by clicking on the play button. So that one's quite nice. Got more cinematic, popular music. So say I quite like this one. So all I need to do is click on it to add it to my video, then play it just to see if it goes with my video. So yeah, I quite like this, and you can further edit the music track by clicking on here, and you have options to change the volume, to fade it, things like that. You can fade it in, fade it out. So there's so many options you could do to edit that music track once you've added it to the video. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.